cars together. We ain't eat sometimes, star together. Used to be my nigga, but you use me, now I'm scarred forever. Would've died for you, you forgot I used to slide for you. Don't handle me like other niggas. Thought you say you love me too. If you love a nigga, you wouldn't send me, you'll slide too. Took advantage of me, told me dreams that were never true. I lost my main man, came to you, you ain't follow through. I ain't never judge you, handle business to my own move. You changed on me, stabbed me in my back, but always played it cool. Sold out to them bitches, plus you told on a couple dudes. Bitch, I know you sour, Johnny May ain't never raised a fool. Can't speak on my daddy, couldn't see him what my mama choose. This ain't about my people though, big bro, this shit about me and you. Had to write this verse so I can make you feel it how I do. You lie to me, big brother, now I'm feeling like look how that do. This another story, when I catch you, I'ma torture you. Mandatory, shit gon' hurt me bad, I used to fuck with you. Years past, show me your true colors, won't be stuck with you. Thinking about a lot of shit you did, I went against it too. My loyalty was different, off of love a nigga had for you. Blind to you, bird feed me when you had it, fool. Every time a nigga used to hit for shit, I run to you. Shouldn't have to ask my nigga for shit, cause you see it too. You don't owe a nigga nut, but some shit you just supposed to do. You can't stop the rain, can't stop it either, guess it's me or you. You can't stop the rain, can't stop it either, I guess it's me or you. Damn, I guess it's me or you. You can't stop the rain, can't stop it either. Checkmate, nigga, shots get fired when I'm out the coop. Just me and Blight, take it, throw bite, nigga, how we slide through. You hated on him too, hate to see a nigga tough as you. Bitch made, say you cut, don't cut you with the switchblade. Should've been your mama daughter, cause you got some bitch weight. I'm still PTCT, rest up jug, damn them niggas play. Only thing that I can say you taught me was my creepers ways. Thought you was the realest nigga I knew, couldn't see through the shade. Nigga, I had to take up for your ass when we was in that cage. Bitch, you joined the game and flip your co-defendant, damn shame. Told my brother if he take the charges, he be straight, man. My brother caught 13 years while he ain't straight, man. You like to hide behind them young niggas, be the face, man. I'ma get you back by how you did, man. I been pacing, I'm getting impatient. Don't try to run from me, I'm chasing. Eye to eye, fuck a mess, it's personal, I'm Satan. Always knew a nigga close to me gon' try to take me. Talking to the devil in the mirror who I'm facing. Already dead, I ain't scared to go, so I ain't faking. Sliding through your people shit or trying to catch you caking. You can't stop the rain, can't stop it either, I ain't waiting. Head of commando, referee shit, I ain't Jason. Freddy Cougar pop out in your dreams, ain't no nightmare. Soon as you get settled in, chillin', kill him right there. Only thing they gon' remember from you was the last time. I'ma be the last one you seen before I blow your mind. If I leave the body, he get closed casket every time. If I leave the body, he get closed casket every time.